Are you looking for a lighting design company that can do more than just lights? If you are, watch this video. Hi there, I'm James, and today I just wanted to answer a question that we get asked. No, let me phrase it. Probably the most frequently asked question when people call me and ask me, are we able to help them with an aspect of their home or of their build? Do we do more than just lights? And the short answer is yes. Yes, we do. So a little bit of background, me personally, I'm 10 years-ish post-qualified, and I would be what's classed as a gold card holder. So I've sat and passed all my advanced electrician exams, as has David Ritchie, the other business partner in Astra Lumos. And then we install quite a few qualified electricians who obviously report to us and work with us. And just a quick side note, in case you're wondering, we only employ our electricians. We don't use any subcontractors. And the main reason for that is because actually what I really want from my guys is that if I'm sending somebody into your home, a client's business, I expect them, and I know that they will turn up on time, looking smartly dressed, be friendly, be helpful, and do everything they can to make sure whatever we're helping with, whether that be inspecting and testing, or whether that be pat testing, or whether that be just helping you with a few other bits, that they do Astra Lumos proud. And that is probably the main reason why we've stayed away from the subcontractor market. That's not to say that there aren't great subcontractors out there, but I need to know all of my guys personally, and I do. Our team's been with us for a while now, and we know everybody personally. We know exactly who to send to what project for their skill set, and that's such a fantastic place to be in. So coming back to do we do? Yes, we do. And for us, if we can be involved with all the other aspects of a project, it just makes things that much smoother, because you don't end up having this awkward three-way conversation between the designer, the client, and the installer. So what we've had in the past, where designers who aren't from a construction background have been like, I've designed this, make it happen. And we've been like, yep, sure thing. We have ended up in that awkward three-way conversation where the designer has designed something that physically can't be installed because they've put a light where there's a massive steel, or they've put a socket where there's a sink and you can't have it too close to the sink, or do you know what, the electrical regs are quite stringent. So with us having the electrical knowledge from a regs point of view, the construction knowledge from a design point of view, and the install knowledge to make sure it all comes together, we're able to save the client time and money, because we're able to not only push our designs to the boundaries of what is actually installable, because we know how a building is built, we're also able to avoid any wasted time by designing things that we would then have to readjust because actually that can't be done. So when we're able to do that with a client, we're then obviously able to pick up socket circuits, normal lighting circuits, data, CCTV, audio, such as wireless, like multi-room audio, like a Sonos or a Blue Sound, that sort of thing. Or I've got Denon and Hios, who work quite well together. I will be doing a few other videos on that later on. CCTV, which I think I said. What do we do? Data, smart heating. Basically, if we are able to sort of control all electrical aspects, because that's what we are. We are electricians who are able to design, supply, install, sign off the installation, and program luxury lighting, smart heating, gate entry. We've done electric gates for clients in the past. So, short answer is, do we do more than just lighting? Absolutely. What we've done in the past for clients as well is when they've had other work done by other installers, we've gone in sort of afterwards and just sort of tweaked it and make it work exactly as how they were expecting it. Or perhaps or we've had tricky installations for things like car chargers. We do car chargers as well. So generally, if somebody says, do you do more than just lighting? My answer is, if it's got an electric feed at it, then we're able to do it. Hopefully that answers all the questions, and I may have raised a few up in there in the middle. If it does, drop me a comment, drop me an email, and I'll come back to you. Do like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.